Today I am going to tell you how to register in Stardust Beta. For Android user, we will provide you the app. You have to install the app in your mobile phone. And for iOS, you can download the app from the given link. For register, you have to click on the link and open it in any browser. Once you open it, this page will become. You have to enter your phone number with your country code and send on the verification code. Once you click on the send verification code, you will receive a code of 4 digit. You have to enter that code over here, and after that you have to enter the password. Password you can choose from your own as convenience to you. Then you have to sign up. This is my sign up. I have given my information like this. I have given my password, my number, everything. After you click on sign up, you will redirect it to this page. In first column, you have to enter your nickname. As my nickname is JQ slash Julio slash M slash 30. JQ is my team name, Julio is my name, M stand for male, and 30 is my age. Now you have to select male or female. As I have selected male, now you have to enter your date of birth. Set email and QQ will be provided by us. After you fill all the detail, you have to complete the registration. Once you complete the registration, you have to click on any one link as per your language which you have to speak. Click on the link. Once you click on the link, this page will be open. You have to just accept the invitation. Once you accept the invitation, you will redirect it to this kind of page. After expecting the invitation, you have to open the app and you have to log in. Like I have opened my app. My login is 70048482120. I have to enter my password. Once you enter the password, you have to click on the project. This is the project which you have expected. Click on the accept. Now you have to click on the I have signed. I have read and signed this option. You have to click over there. You have to read everything, and then in down there's one option to sign. I have already signed this document, that's why it is not coming. So you have to click on that and you have to sign. Once you click on sign, you have to start. Once you start, now you can record your voice. Thank you, that's all.